Hi, welcome to MotorMav. Various Nissan web forums have been seen, filled with user complaints concerning Nissan Rogue door lock problems. The problem seems to be that the doors either don't close properly, or won't lock at all, etc. You're not the only one who's having issues with the Nissan Rogue door lock. So, let's take a closer look at all the reasons and their solutions. In a nutshell, your Nissan Rogue door lock problems can be causing due to a damaged door lock actuator, jammed door lock mechanism, or fault in the door latch. So, troubleshooting these issues might help you get rid of these problems. Other problems you might face are: Number 1. Door lock noise. And the reason for this can be worn or damaged door lock actuator, loose door panel, or trim. Number 2. The door won't unlock from either outside or inside the vehicle. Faulty door lock actuator can be its reason. Number 3. The door lock is stuck in the lock or unlocked position. And reason can be faulty door lock actuator or jammed door lock mechanism. Number 4. The Nissan Rogue door lock is not working. And the reason can be the lock itself is at fault, the lock actuator, or a wiring issue. Number 5 is wiring problem. And the reasons can be the key not working, problem with the key itself, the lock, or the ignition switch. And the last problem you can face is the door is not open at all. And reasons for this can be a problem with door lock, the door handle, or the door latch. However, the rear hatch won't open externally if any blown fuse in the door lock system. Want to know a more detailed view of these problems and solutions? Check www.motormav.com.